Have you ever experienced this disaster? What is the impact of this whole disaster on your life? Busy morning jeans holes make you irritate. And why are holes only found outside? And you have to waste time and money to repair them. Hole fear makes you buy multiple pairs of cheap jeans instead of your favorite high-quality jeans. How do I know your heart well? Because over 100 jeans left me in my life. In 2017, I decided to end it and started the research. The solution was found in yellow beans, a natural food. Save My Jean is an eco-friendly product that does not harm the human body. I made a prototype samples, applied them to my pants, and walked over 10,000 steps every day. By user test and scientific process, Save My Jean was born. It is very simple to use. All you have to do is rub it lightly on the abrasion area once every 3 days. 10 seconds is enough. Save My Jean is the world's first, an innovative product idea, and obtained a technology patent in Korea and is preparing for an international patent. Now we need your support to market and share this new idea with the world. Back up this campaign and let the Blue Shield save your jeans.